Manipur University Community discards two-member inquiry committee, says the committee is staged and unreliable. Police tussles with students protesting recent arrests of students and teachers of Manipur University. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren calls for dialogues to resolve Manipur University crisis and to refrain from general strikes and ban. State observes World Pharmacist Day. Health Minister Elgender Kumar seeks cooperation from all stakeholders for starting a pharmacy college. And President Ramnath Kovind confers prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award to world champion Manipuri weightlifter Mirabai Chanu. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. MUTA has expressed distrust in the two-member inquiry committee formed to probe allegations against Professor A.P. Pandey. A meeting of MUTA members convened today resolved to discard the two-member fact-finding committee as unreliable and decided not to extend any assistance to its procedure. The university community further demanded to set up another inquiry committee as per Commission of Inquiry Act 1952. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at an undisclosed location in Imphal West today, MUTA Vice President Professor R.K. Ranbir Gambhir alleged the two members comprising the inquiry committee of being closely affiliated with BJP and further alleged that their selections into the inquiry committee were pre-planned. Professor Gambhir intimated media regarding tip-off obtained by MUTA regarding some unidentified individuals taking away documents from the sealed A block of the university when security forces were raiding the boys' hostel of the university on the intervening night of September 20 and 21. The professor reiterated that the ongoing inquiry by the two-member inquiry committee is distrustful on many levels. He also stated that MUTA is not ready for any dialogue with the government until and unless the arrested students and teachers are released without any condition.
Inquiry committee ki chairman and members of pressure to entire kudumun had ek Chaudhary and Haiba Queen Tajaba Mapandagi retired BCC BJP ki haven't been Samagi Samnava Miem over. He is connected with GC Husu, MSRD GC Husu Haiba. That means university community Pamjada than a quick independent or in a ticket you have Moy low in Samnava Satiba network ama Ringama Mokogi Mount Levame to Moy Haji. Inquiry in who knew the license, nodal officers is Mokoki was a Samkishona Laga. Man over Manipur history, the Asuyam was Abu Zil Tamba Habazi, Mavan Suleli David, Smantovasi, Mokisunam Sazani, Yamna Satiba history, the Kawang Amoy of Tabamani, Pavaka Solution Togodom, the Pagi Hagadi, University labor was about 187 pull up Habivo. Majia Gui Makatan Yogabanga Kain Sunam Sasan Todo, a shame with Oivo, Tang Kunginundang to the Saturn. I am a Pudo Toling and the Asumlakan the A block the chunk of Palmam hole in Taiba. Quality thing I should still do labor, Kaji to Gaga Palmam Hong a Palmam hole at Dugal Moon modified to Lulu Matunda to get inquiry committee members in the baby fight of you. Hey, a dog legal advisors highway, a duty commander. Verification have was a kind of Masana Leisure to the Bay of the Carno Highway. I don't need a relation.
The Department of Library and Information Science, Manipur University, in a press release, strongly condemned the police raids conducted in the boys' hostel of Manipur University on the intervening night of September 20 and 21, recalling the incident as an aggressive military action. The press release also warned of intense agitations if the authority concerned fails to release the arrested students and teachers of the university without any condition at the earliest. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has called for dialogues to resolve the Manipur University crisis instead of resorting to general strikes and ban. He was speaking at the inaugural function of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Institute of Agricultural Sciences building complex at Udlau in Bishnupur district today. Chief Minister Biren said frequent upheavals in the state malign its image, and as such, tourists and investors distance themselves from the state. He asserted that there is a solution for every issue. However, without proper dialogues and communication, no solution can be brought about. The Chief Minister reiterated that the state government has limitations in intervening the university crisis as it is a central university. He maintained that appointment of Pro-VC is decided by the central government. Biren said as per the desire of the public, VC Pandey was sent on leave and even suspended. The Chief Minister expressed a desire for an enduring normalcy in the academic atmosphere of the university by appointing a Pro-VC for the first time, being before appointing a permanent Vice-Chancellor. On the other hand, Chief Minister Biren also expressed discontentment that total dependency by Manipur at the centre has become a reason for being disregarded by mainland Indians. He asserted that the state government has undertaken various welfare projects for the state and assured to continue to do so. Extending all the possible support, Chief Minister Biren urged everyone to put in their best efforts to be self-reliant. He also expressed pride that Manipur has an agricultural sciences institute.
Hujiki University ki general strike adu da kauriba hujiksu matam leidi ramai tawruga solution leigada ge haibudo wari sanarga loisin si wari sanaroi aikhoina tawringe adum yaw haiba tawnugum si pande sakre suspend tawgre the mass suspend tawraga su atai jo mu khangde akhoi yaroi na hairaga di pami si kari noi si akhoi de su confused leire ban he kawbaga akhoi gi sattabi office ka da bi school hang da bi tawbi si matoksi ban kauri do hana maram sabra sadabra khoi nenes leiba ki oiba leiba kai ga dawa leiba ki jati ki oiba jati bu manga da wadung ba wergadi ban wergera ama wergera khoi mang thar ga tawse nataba moi amani gi phammuna bagi moi kharagi interest tawbagi ban gum da khoi support tawbo amani na sum sai da gi phone da ban kaure arga khoi na thoktragadi akhoi ge society se hana gum nai khoi adum sothar ga leirane ram di ban mangal liba mayam ban mangi se chhatra mahairoi sing economic activities adagi amana ai guardian sing da ai khoi gi su makeup thokba matam yore maram sai khangde chade khangdana ai gi maman yang roba isa sing do torok ta sinna base masima ga khoi thing na ba khoi mass campaign ama fil dok jari maram saba laiba ke be issue da akhoi na mang thas pe da boi isa thon doino pe da boi school uniform set pa thon doino moi direct tammi bro tam da bro khang da moi manga tra la ga hoira ga khona ya hun ga do si maram kari ilan ga do si maram kari.
Students and scholars of the Earth Science Department, Manipur University, in a press release, have boycotted the second and fourth semester examinations of the department until the release of the arrested students and teachers of the university and normalcy is restored. The students also demanded removal of police forces deployed in the university campus, refuted VC Professor Yugindro's claim of normalcy being restored in the university as false, and extended support for the 48-hour statewide general strike called by 6 different student organizations. Various organizations of the state, namely Amkil, Nupi Samaj, Chingmi Tammi, Apunba Nupiluk, and Thangmaiban United Club have also supported the 48-hour statewide general strike called by 6 different student organizations against the recent upheavals of Manipur University. Supports for the general strike were declared in various press meets held at Manipur Press Club today.
ICRD amsung Manipur government ge yanagribi agreement do yanagribi agreement gi makha tarakpada amuk pandena mahaki Jugindro haiba pot asi thajilakpadagi hoji wathuk oiraiba phim masida khoi United Club na yengru lebang ngamaktaba pung nifunipan gi akhoi gi joint student union na kauriba banasi akhoi sabsana United Club na ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯠꯀꯅꯤ
Manipurda justice porke haiba taragadi asa wasang ching mabuk seng batai aduga loina na chief minister gi mathau masak khangna tawba amadi police commando sing sinamat masa masa gi mathau chap chana tawrakanda MU gi wathok se phajana loisan baga loina na Manipurda shanti porakpa justice porakpa sini khoina pami ba aduga loina na isa sing na kauri ba bal ase aikhoi gi damakta di isa sing gi punsi mang ba yadabani na asigumba bansida mama aikhoina full support
Khwaramban Nupi Kaithel, Sinpham and Saktam Kanbalup in a press release also extended support for the 48-hour general strike in connection with Manipur University issue called by 6 different student organizations. Teacher trainees have appealed to relax the 48-hour general strike called by 6 student organizations for the ongoing diet examinations. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, a teacher trainee said all teacher trainees support the movement by the Manipur University community. However, diet examination under NIOS is a nationwide examination which commenced today. The teacher trainee said there are inconveniences in rescheduling the examination and hence appealed to relax the ban for the examination.
परीक्षा ट्रेनिंग से पास तहद्रगदी अखोई 2019 की मार्च की तारीख 53 फाव की मनुंग लोसिलहद्रगदी अखोई ओजासिंग की सर्विस यामना चाव अकायब अमा लेबा हाइबदी HRD ना अखोई की हाइरिबा मतम सिबाव मनुंग ट्रेनिंग से पास तहद्रब ओजासिंग की सर्विस की टर्मिनेट तौगनी हाइबगी अईबा अमा लेबा अदुना बन तौबिरिबा अखोई छात्र इचिनाव सिंगदा ओजासिंगना एग्जाम लाकपदा खरा कोमथोकपिनबा हाइजरी.
Students of DM College of Arts took out a protest rally against the recent disruptions of Manipur University. The rallyists coming from DM College campus towards Kangla were halted by police at Manipur High Court Guest House. Scuffles broke out between the agitated students and Imphal West police personnel led by SP Imphal West. Police resorted to firing tear gas shells and smoke bombs to disperse the agitating students. Later, the students blocked DM College gate and prevented vehicular movement. The massive police force finally managed to contain the situation. Scuffles broke out between the students of CC Higher Secondary School and TG Higher Secondary School and the police as the students were staging protests against the recent police raids in Manipur University. Imphal East police personnel barricaded the students of CC Higher Secondary School as they tried to form human chain in front of the school gate. Students pelted stone towards the police and the police retaliated by firing tear gas shells and rubber bullets and even pelted stones. Meanwhile, the students of TG Higher Secondary School also formed human chain at the school gate protesting against the same. Heated confrontation occurred between the students and Imphal West police teams. Some students were injured in the tussle and were rushed to Jenims and Raj Medicity.
Permission yaudana duma force ke am season akanda satra amadi oja singbu phabi khiba aduma phabi khiba satra singdo ga sifawa thadok piraktaba adunga sing asimaksu thadok piyo haina CCR secondary mairoi singna changjabane CCR secondary mairoi singna khongjang achawbu changjalakani aduga loisan binabusu honabiyo aduga paliba lenga ase akhoi oina thabak tawgena tholakhiba ngaktane aduna praja amadi satra singi wakhalon sida iroinara kanda thabak thong sing tawbiyo.
MUSU General Secretary Laisham Kennedy has alleged both the state and the central governments of staging the Manipur University crisis to get political mileage. Kennedy intimated the same to media at an undisclosed location at Imphal City today. He urged the central government and MHRD to resolve the Manipur University impasse without further delay.
Low quarter, Chatlu Holo Habi, Warudumak, Yamalabak Tivani, Tasina, Masipundama, state government, Amadi central government, Sam have the Masadina, Masiku talk Nabahana, no pre plant of Montani. Shida political flight, political party, Hogi, state government, central government, and Hubani, Masida, political fight, the Kariakuna legal Chatino, Masi political fine, political party, state government, Amadi Masadina, Atu Matam Masi, the solution material, Shingadabni.
Musu Finance Secretary Sorokhaibam Anish has appealed to all the parents and guardians of Manipur University students and students of colleges affiliated to the university to join hands in resolving the varsity crisis.
Professor Pandey, Kandabia de Haiduna, central government, Hamadi, state government and Loktunaraga, Ahing Nungaida, Satra Singi Hostel, the Red Chataba, Aso Open Gan and Hanba, who Takbitambibo Zasingbu, Fazinduna criminal Amagum Tamba. University Sibu War Zone on Tokpa Asi, Lengaki to for the Licher Amani, Asiki Licher Asiki Mayokta, Mayam Puna, Amato in Let Mineraga, Iho, Kongjang Seminars have item.
Unknown miscreants planted an RC mobile RDX bomb near the office of Indo-Myanmar Labour Union under Bharatiya Majdoor Sangh at More, Ward number 2 today. A patrolling team of Assam Rifles found the bomb around 5 this morning. Upon getting the news, a team of Manipur Police led by SP Technopal Dr. S. Bomcha and personnel of 11th Assam Rifles immediately rushed at the spot and inspected the site. Later, bomb expert team of Manipur Police and bomb squad of the army carefully recovered the bomb and disposed of at a safe location in Howland 5 village at 12:37 p.m. Daily businesses transactions were disrupted in the aftermath of the incident as members of Indo-Myanmar Labour Union ceased work. Uripok United Clubs Organization, Iroisemba Youth Development Club and Uripok Kendra Labour Union in separate press releases have extended support to the statewide ban called by Kangleipak Thopanglup from the midnight of September 30 till the midnight of October 1st in demand for shifting of Ramakrishna Mission School from the premises of Uripok Boys Tondonsana School. Principal Chief Conservator IFS Kairihavi Angami has launched a watchtower at Forest Beat Office, Nongpok Sanjanbam today as part of the afforestation project of the Forest Department. Speaking to media, Chief Conservator of Forest IFS TH Mohendra Pratap opined that the new tower will help in controlling wildfires and illegal extraction of soil along Nomaiting Range. He said that the tower was launched as a part of the Integrated Forest Management Scheme of the Ministry of Forest and Environment. He cautioned that the Forest Department will evict all illegal encroachers on forest reserve lands gradually but eventually in the near future.
Eviction process eviction and crossers singina hek document correct paramba muida illegal reserve forest any sort of kanawuma kanagumimtana karigma che changama parga tampakilamda forest area natabada tawya bagi kinodo adu parga tawya adu mem da koina sorting out toba haidi kanaguma mana legally magilam de lejab da koina soktaba illegal lobudi koina as per Indian Forest Act 1927 Manipur Forest Rule 1972, 71, Forest Conservation Act, Supreme Court ki order me abdi matungina koina missing do koina loktok to yada adu si lepnati masi process adum chathari adu koina encroachers sing yaman banina magi process mai procedure follow to matam khar changba.
All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center, AMOK, in a press release informed that a one-day training program on mushroom plantation and hair cutting was held at its office in Singjamai today. Manipur State Pharmacy Council observed World Pharmacist Day at Medical Directorate Complex in Lamphel Park today. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister L. Kumar called on for cooperation from every stakeholders under the Health Department. He also urged the Manipur State Pharmacy Council to take an active role in setting up a pharmacy college in Manipur. The event was held on the theme Pharmacist, Your Medicines Expert. Health Minister L. Kumar urged the people to acknowledge the outstanding tasks carried out by the state pharmacists in the health sector. He maintained that a joint effort of both doctors and pharmacists can only bring an overall health care. Minister of Family Welfare Dr. K. Rajo and Director of Ayush Dr. A. Guneshwar and many other eminent persons took part in the function.
Pharmacists, drug inspectors, then it is allopathy doctors, then it is Ayush doctors. Basically, what is your responsibility? Pharmacists come to Ihange, Doctor Kamulo say Ihange, the other is Ihange, healthcare system like comes from Ihange. Ultimately, what is your responsibility? What is your ultimate goal? Anna but Anna Matuki put to the Yauri Maclapamiam. Amaga reciprocate Tomato Targadi, Amaga go class Lergadi, Mr. Kamato, successful way.
Postal Department of Manipur Division in a press release informed that it has joined the Grameen Dak Sevaks nationwide hunger strike, pressing various demands at Imphal Head Post Office today. It is time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 15th Manipur Matam Ishai Numit to be organized by AMIC. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglup, AMIC will organize the 15th Manipur Matam Ishai Numit on September 29 and 30. AMIC Secretary M. Dhananjoy intimated the same during a press meet held at AMIC office in Yai School, Janmasthan today. The event, held since 2004, is organized on the theme Punna Hingminashi, Punna Jaukhatminashi.
Manipur ki artist singi yamna tangna akogi sahi mada mutang pangthokpa integration da base toba Punna Hingminashi, Punna Jaukhatminashi haiba asigi theme sida pangthokpa matam sei numit asigi palan thorom asida kai atoi agdi soktanaba mari leinaba akogi social CSO singama masingna ban strike na singba tawidanaba akogi miyamda press ki through the appeal tawjari.
Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur's year-long movement for Lamyanba Hijam Irawat concluded today. The forum accorded Irawat Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award to social activist Chana Lembi and renowned writer cum theatre activist Ngathem Rabai Chandra at the event held in the hall of Manipur Dramatic Union in Yai School. Winners of the first state-level sport poem writing competition 2018 were also felicitated on the occasion. RK Films observed its 24th Foundation Day at Khurai Thaudam Laikai today. The 17th volume of Nokpade was also released on the occasion. Speaking in the event as the chief guest, Impact Chief Editor of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra stated that the fate of Manipur films depend on the proper utilization of modern technology. He mentioned that many film industries of the world came to extinction due to not keeping in sync with the technological advancement. Founder of RK Films, Thaudam Rohini Kumar, asserted that laughter is the best thing in life and hence drew the attention of the government for the welfare of comedians in the state.
Number one market se CD the thoe akoi paine sine henjalakpa adumba yengna ba khona ba mi singji yamna ti leiraga leibi na mi watpa masina chauba akoi ge ja nokfode phongba sida chauba amadi koi mayek nori adumapu sahi kun mari se koina tokhai ba struggle tauraga koi ge nokfode si hingna ba dum khona jari masi atop top marum sangai ba koi hojik nokfode si YouTube channel ama koi hangba hogjare.
Rubrak Productions music CD entitled Yaroi Manipur Ngamkhai Kaiba Yaroi was released at Manipur Press Club Major Khul today. General Council member of Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, Professor Jodha Chandra Sanasam released the music CD as a tribute to Oja Soraren. Four renowned writers released their books during a program organized by Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khojil Lup at Manipur Press Club today. Many prominent personalities in the field of literature attended the event. (143) Battalion CRPF and United Friends Library Club jointly organized Swachhata Hi Seva campaign program at the community hall on Lamboy Khongnangkhong ground today. Speaking in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar stressed the need for everyone to inculcate the habit of cleanliness for a neat and clean society. Yumnam Joykumar expressed disappointment at the deplorable condition of Nambul River and urged everyone not to dump garbages in the river. Ahead of the main event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar flagged off a students' rally chanting Clean India, Healthy India from Khwaramban flyover, which concluded at the community hall.
We think that that's the time when we have to clean up. Take a social service company, take it. Later, couldn't you like I couldn't get up with you, make you follow to me, and my arm talker, I would say, no, that is an issue. I said, but high bar, Ruben number, single photo to say it should not be done only on 1 or 2 days. But see, a happy to enough, throughout a cricket. Throughout the year, I'm going to say, happy to enough. Policy, I will often say something.
Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2 was cleaned up yesterday. Moray Police and All Moray Auto Owners and Drivers Welfare Association jointly carried out the cleanliness drive as a part of nationwide Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. Moray Police officers and auto rickshaw drivers took part at the drive. BJP Manipur Pradesh has celebrated the 102nd birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya at its temporary office in Kantipur today. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha also organized a blood donation camp in collaboration with State Blood Cell National Health Mission on the occasion. Workers of BJP Manipur Pradesh donated blood and paid floral tribute at the portrait of the eminent leader. ADC Sardar Hills Chairman Haukholal Hangshing has inaugurated a study center of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology for Kangpokpi District at District Council Library cum Museum Hall yesterday. Nilit Imphal Executive Director T.H. Prameshwar, Chief Executive Officer Sardar Hills Autonomous Council Kangpokpi T. Manihar, staff of Nilit Imphal Center, short-term course candidate at the center coming from Senapati, and people in the area attended the inaugural event. Chairman Haukholal Hangshing also launched the first batch of computer short-term course and 2-month computer concept course for government employees on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Haukholal Hangshing said the center was opened acting on a proposal by Chief Executive Officer T. Manihar for opening the study center in the district, considering the inevitable requirement for computer knowledge in this advanced technological era. The chairman also appreciated the CEO and officials of Nilit Imphal Center for their contributions in opening the study center. Manipur Rifle Association in a press release informed all the interested shooters for participating in the first Northeast Olympic Games to submit their names and qualifying scores on September 27 between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. The games commence on September 24 and will continue till October 28. Further details may be obtained from Selection Committee, Manipur Rifle Association. President Ramnath Kovind has conferred world champion weightlifter Mirabai Channu the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, the highest sporting award of the country, during the award ceremony held at Raj Bhavan today. Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli was also conferred the same. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna includes a medal, a citation and a cash prize of Rs 7.5 lakh. It may be recalled that Mirabai is awarded the prestigious award for her outstanding feat of bagging gold medals in 48 kg category at the World Championship and the recently concluded Commonwealth Games as well. The award is conferred to 20 sportspersons, including star javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra. Eleven-member Manipur Chess Association team left Imphal today to participate in International FIT Rating Chess Tournament to be held in Silchar starting from tomorrow till October 1st. President of the association, Namayrakpam Samarjit, flagged off the team at the association's office in Imphal Polo Ground today.
Manipur Chess Association ani lay hai sa masi makoi pudek ta dokada bani marandi Manipur layriba lu mayam sinse karam lu ko pen put pairaga aikoina madu sijin naraga aikoina loyin da kari to kada ga sa aikoina sang yam khada kada bani aikoina yam tuna ko kada bani leba miyam gi damakta yekaba on gi damagi magutta aikoina leba miyam da aikoina ireja sijida aikoina sarana surrender to ka chanjal aga Manipur Chess Association sa punna sapat nireva kodam matamda Manipur Chess Association na matam pumda koi na thongla na hamda koi thamli.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan implicitly hinted the possibility of introducing a budget for the demographic minority sections of Manipur in the near future. The speaker made a statement during the concluding ceremony of the 9th Men Open Knockout Football Tournament held at Lower Komkaira Playground of Loktak Project today. Speaking further, the speaker acknowledged the challenges facing the minorities and maintained that there are various communities in Assam which still remain incapable of electing their own representatives. Stating that Assam has already introduced a new budget by forming a committee to uplift these people, he assured of implementing the same in Manipur in the near future. The speaker also lauded the recognition brought by Mary Kom towards the Kom community and urged other athletes to emulate her example and bring glory to their respective communities.
Manipur da tongan ba apitpa Kanglup Jati marom dom depsa waba aduki matik lay sumai tawdana Assam state asulay macha MLA putok bangam jadaba ADC putok bangam jadaba sasan yaw bangam daba Kanglup macha lay Assam dasu Kanglup macha singdugi committee amam sembira kanda bagi budget ta chanaba paisa hapira kanda community singdo sokut payanaba mayam manaba yanaba sinba hogre madu I think Manipur dasu madu lakani haibgi thajabalai koi sana propose to was yogzare.
Jeet Kundo Association of Manipur in a press release applauded Samananda Laishram and Khongbantawa Motion for bagging gold medals in different categories of South Asian Jeet Kundo Championship held at Kandy, Sri Lanka from September 21 to 23. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur University Community discards two-member inquiry committee, says the committee is staged and unreliable. Police tussles with students protesting recent arrests of students and teachers of Manipur University. Chief Minister Nongtham Biren calls for dialogues to resolve Manipur University crisis and to refrain from general strikes and ban. State observes World Pharmacist Day. Health Minister L. Jendukumar seeks cooperation from all stakeholders for starting a pharmacy college. And President Ramnath Kovind confers prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award to world champion Manipuri weightlifter Mirabai Chanu.